we'll guide you through how to use Asana shortcuts to boost your productivity. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the main dashboard where your projects are displayed. To quickly navigate, you can use some handy keyboard shortcuts. Press Tab plus Q to instantly open a new task window. This is great for jotting down ideas or tasks on the fly. If you're managing tasks and want to assign one to a team member, simply select the task, then hit Tab plus A to bring up the assignee menu. You can start typing the person's name and Asana will filter the results for you. To set a due date for a task, use Tab plus D. Then you can pick the date from the calendar that pops up. If you're looking to switch between different views like List, Board, or Calendar view, use the Tab plus V shortcut. This will cycle through your available view options, making it easy to find the layout that suits your workflow. For those of you who love to stay organized with sections, you can create a new section by pressing Tab plus N. This helps in categorizing tasks without needing to click around. Another great tip, if you're done with a task and want to mark it complete, just hit Tab plus C. This is a quick way to keep your projects current and tidy. Finally, if you need to search for something specific, use the / key, which will jump you straight to the search bar. These shortcuts can drastically cut down the time you spend clicking around, allowing you to focus more on the tasks themselves. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.